Hi everybody, and welcome to this 38F Kirkby Ashfield MPD layout update. I'd like to start off by saying hello to everyone who's recently come on board and new subscribers. We're now over 1,200 subs on the channel, which is absolutely fantastic, so thank you very much. Hope you're enjoying what you're seeing so far. In this video we're going to have a little look at some of the detail work we're doing on the shed building itself, also having a little look at some scratch building I've been doing. Main reason being that the thing I've had to build I couldn't get a kit for. Speaking of kits, recently picked up a few items from Scale Model Scenery. I'm going to have a good look at those as well, see what I've been building there and see how I've been modified from the instructions to fit the scene. So once this rail tour's got by, we'll get on with the rest of the video. So let's start off then by taking a look at the fencing that's currently running along the back of the layout. This is the LX223-00 kit, and as you can see as it comes out of the packet, it's nothing special, it's just laser cut wood. But if you add a layer of paint, I use the Humbrol 251, and then tone it down with some weathering powders, as you can see on the left hand side of this image. When you're done, it looks like this. This is the LNER line side hook kit, completed on the layout. Now let's see how I put it together. So let's take a closer look at the line side hut. As you can see, these are the LNER sectional concrete line side huts from Model Railway Scenery. The reference code is LX223-00 in case you want to buy one. It comes in a pack of two, which I think is brilliant because it gives you a chance to try one and learn a bit about it as you go through the process of building the kit. Relatively simple, go together quite well and relatively easily. The one on the right here I actually constructed as you see it now at an exhibition demonstrating for DEMU at one of the Sheffield exhibitions this year, and this went together in a relatively short space of time on the stand, showing the public how versatile these little kits are and how easy they are to put together even on a table in a sports hall. This one is the one that you've just seen on the layout that as at this stage isn't completed. You can see there are some slight differences between that one and the one from Sheffield. So I'm going to go into a little bit more detail now and look at what I've done to not improve the kit, but improve the overall look of it as a finished product. So this is the one obviously that's on the layout. You can see here where it's not been yet completed. There's a few bits extra in the shot here. Those are the three paints I've used to paint the kit. Number 3, number 41 and number 224. 41 was used to paint the window frames. There we go, see those. Obviously number 3 was used to paint the door, and 224 for everything else, just water it down. And I think they look pretty good actually. You don't have to use a huge number of colours on your palette when painting a kit. It's all about texture in my view, and the overall effect at the end, and I'm rather pleased how it's come out all in all. The door itself I've added a lock and a handle. That's from a track pin and a little piece of staple wire. On the inside I've also added the stove. That's made from a bit of off-cut sprue and an old plug out of the end of an IKEA drawer unit. It keeps the drawers from falling out. Well, it's about the right shape and size when you attack it with a saw and a paintbrush to make it into a stove. So there it is, and that will line up with the chimney that goes on the top. These corner pieces here, I've included those inside this, as you can see, just to give it a bit more strength in the corners of the body. You also notice that along the base I've added 2 bits of wooden stirring stick, and they were there just to keep it square and give it a bit more for the glue to bond to when it goes onto the base. And that's all really. One thing of note when you're building these kits, they are made of cardboard and there's a bit of cleaning up to do. I've been around every edge on this kit as you can see, and there's no bits of sprue showing, there's no little pips you get when you first cut them off the fret. If I show you a piece here, that hasn't yet been filed and done. This is going to be one of the beams on the top. Hopefully that'll zoom and you'll see it. Hope you can just make out on there. Here we go. Make out the little white pips. They are little lumps and you have to get rid of those. So I just go along with some very fine wet and dry and just clean them off before gluing it together. And that's it. So back to the layout. I said I had to do some scratch building. Well, this is it. Now, can you work out what it is yet? Any guesses? Yes, it's a set of shear legs, scratch built from strips of timber and some parts I took out of a crane kit. Now they're not finished yet, so we aren't going to look at them too closely in this video, but they will appear again in a future update. Right, let's take a quick look at what I've been doing with the shed. It's only a very small addition, but we've added the flashing around the chimney. As you see, it's only a small detail, but it does make a difference. We'll climb down now then and have a look what's going on the ground. As you noticed from the last video, there's a bit of cover on the ground and the levels have changed slightly, so let's have a little look at what's been going on there. Here you can see where the different materials are mixed together, so there's ballast on the right hand side and a mix of clay filler on the left. Despite having built it quite a few months ago now, I haven't actually posed the bridge up on the layout, so this is a first look at how it's going to be. As you can tell, it needs a little bit of fettling. And that's it. Well, obviously, hope you found this video interesting. If you've enjoyed it, please leave a comment below, give it a big thumbs up, and remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, goodbye.